back to Aura, so a bit of a different video from me today. It's not one I've done before on my channel, so we're doing an unboxing video just for my latest PC upgrade. I've got my quarantine beard for the second. I think the second week might be the first week of grabbing it. I did have it all grown out, including my hair, a while back, but we cut it all off 1 or 2 weeks ago, just getting a bit too scruffy. But back to the main intention of the video, the actual unboxing. I would greatly appreciate any feedback on this video, because it's like I said, it's a new one for me, doing something a bit different. If I'm talking too fast, mumbling, you find it, struggling to understand me or what's going on, leave some feedback in the comments, and I'll make sure I work on it for future videos. So just quickly going over my kit that I've got. So I've got a new toolbox, new GPU, processor, motherboard, RAM and PSU. So essentially the only things that are really staying there is the cables, the case and the drive. Other than that, it's more or less a full revamp. You'll see why when it comes to my odd config in the description below. So if you want to check that out, and I'll also try to put links to each of the parts I've bought in the description below as well. So credit to everyone I've got this from. But just going quickly over them. So we've got a 1660 Super Gigabyte GeForce GTX GPU. Got a B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard. Got Corsair VENGEANCE 2, 8GB of RAM. Ryzen 5 AMD processor. And we've got the new PSU. So it's a Seasonic 500 watt PSU. That's 80 plus gold. So just going to crack on with me unboxing now. So just starting off with my new toolkit. So cost me 20-30 quid, I think, from Amazon. Again, I'll put the descriptions in the link below. But I needed to make sure I had all the right parts for my upgrade. I've got some toolbox around the house, but it's nice to be able to something just small and compact. I can just fit it in a drawer and keep it in my computer for anything I need to do. This was only in a plastic cover, so I didn't want to include all the boxing and packaging. It's just going through everything. It's got stuff for drills and other bits. That's basically an advertising leaflet. And something else for them as well. So I'll go all over all this in a bit, but it's from Hi-Spec. I got it off Amazon. But there's a fair few tools within here that, oops, if that don't fall down, I'll do it the other way. And that should be a little bit more useful. Right, okay. So there's a lot I need to go through here, actually get unboxed, but a couple of cable ties, just in case I need to break any of the cable ties I've got in my PC will be useful. Don't think I'll need the wire strippers. I don't tend to use the anti-static wristband when I'm doing anything. Other than that, I don't need the plastic thing for the screwing in, but all the screws and the tool bits is what I'm probably going to be needing. Also a bit of a, can't think of the right word for it now. Basically apply to separate screens, which will actually be useful because one of these is a bit of sealed plastic, so it'll be helpful just to get that out. So I'm just going to put this down to one side for now. But you're probably not going to see me use anything else. I don't think I'm going to be doing an upgrade video because I haven't got the right camera set up. But I'll use that just to get through a bit of plastic in a second or two. So just put that down there, and the rest of it can just go to one side. Okay. So admittedly, I got a little bit excited when I first got my CPU. So I'm going to be doing this one first, just the way it goes, because as you can see I've already broken the seal. Little drunken jokes. So just getting straight into this. This should just have the heatsink with pre-applied heat compound, I believe, and the CPU itself. So there we've got the CPU. I'm not too sure where you're meant to put the sticker. I don't think it's so much needed. It's, like I say, it's just a sticker. But just going over the rest of it, I think that's actually for your PC to go on the outside to show what's in it. And then we've got the actual heatsink fan itself. Just pulling out there, trying to be quite careful with it. Yeah, and that's got its pre-applied thermal paste on it. Next up, we've got my motherboard. So B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard. As I've said earlier, and as you can read, just open this up. Just try to do this in a manner which doesn't destroy anything. unlip this side part here. Okay, and then we should be able to lift it out now safely. There you go. Okay, so I don't want to get this fully out because I'm not installing it just yet. What I'll do, I'll put like a video or a shot clip at the end of everything installed into my machine. But like I say, I don't want to be messing around with that too much just yet. These parts are not cheap, so it should be understandable as to why. Ah, there we go. I can lift that entire box out. That makes a lot more sense as to why that lip there. And that is how you get down to your drives. Okay, a couple of leaflets there to do with AMD, just having a look over. Side SAT cables. So we've got labels for your SAT cables. Just having a look over anything else I might need or have. Okay, that's the instructions. They're all instructions and leaflets. So what we need on this side, there are two aerials for the AC network. We have some of the cables needed for the motherboard, and this screw. Just one screw by itself, a bit odd. Oh, wait, is that for that actually? I might be able to fit that, but that's for the back panel, I believe. Again, it's just whilst I'm unboxing. It's my first actual upgrade of PC. Some of the making sure I'm doing it slowly and carefully. I'm not trying to mess with the parts more than I need to. These are expensive and I don't want to damage anything. And here we have it. So fully sealed until now. If I've got the, there we go. That's not as sharp as I thought it was. Should have put a little bit more force than what I did on it, but it's done the job. So we can put this away and I'll crack on with finishing opening this. I'll join you back in a second. Okay, so let's finish unsealing this. Shouldn't take us too long. I've got another little box to my side here, that's what I'm putting a lot of the stuff into. I've also got plenty of room down to the side, which is where I'm putting the opened and then reboxed parts. For last watching this, I'm not causing too much chaos just yet. Right, so here we have the PSU. So, like I said, it's a Seasonic one, it's 500 watts and 80 plus gold. I've just turned it to the wrong side for opening it for some reason. Okay. Doing this as careful as possible. So we can get rid of them. Then you can already see we've got the cables, the PSU adapter. Just gonna remove this from the top. And then we have our PSU just lying there as well. So I'm going to try and get it out without causing damage to anything. Got a lot of cables there. So this is much more powerful than my previous one. The previous one was just a small builder PSU, and this should be a lot more useful for all the parts we're upgrading, so we know it's going to support it and probably more, so it should be good for now. I may in future start upgrading some of the drivers and stuff, but again, something small in comparison to what we're doing as of now. Let's have to do the introduction. So we're now on to the GPU. I've tried doing this kind of in order of sizes other than the new Ryzen because it's the first part that I opened. I mean more size of the boxes and the chunkiness and stuff. So just straight up open and it just sits there, lovely and beautiful. Again, if you're driving me unbox this stuff in future, let me know. I don't want to be unboxing stuff just as yet because again, I'm doing this video before I'm doing the upgrade, so I'm trying not to get stuff fully out of packages, but that is the GPU. And the only thing I've got left is RAM. I've also seen RAM before, but it's part of the video, it's a full upgrade, parts wise at least. So I'll twiddle a little RAM, not so much twiddle it, 16 gigs, it's still a lot and runs anything current. So there we have it. RAM, so not too much different than when it were in there, just slides out and then it's just going to slot in when it comes to me installing it shortly. Anyways, like I say, I'll do you a current spec video in a minute or two. Just going over the current spec of my PC, so we've got an i5 quad-core 2400 CPU, NVidia GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card, 2GB I believe. I'm not too sure on the make and model of the motherboard. The RAM, I know it's 4GB. That's about all I can tell you about the RAM. I could just try and click them, but it shouldn't make too much of a difference. Do or not. Okay. So there's my RAM, it's DDR3, whatever it is, but it's only 1333 megahertz. I think I've been running with this rig for 3 years now, just about, maybe 4. It's either nearing 3 or it's nearing 4, it's one of the two. Trying to sort this back in one-handed, I'll sort it out in a sec, it's fine. And then me PSU's the other side of this, but that's just like I build a PSU. I'll put all the specs again, like I say in my description. I wouldn't recommend running this for current day spec. Definitely need something with a bit more oomph to it. I don't think there's anything else we really need to cover that I'm upgrading.